In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Sprout Social, making it easier for your team to collaborate and manage social media tasks effectively. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to set up new users and customize their roles or permissions seamlessly. First, ensure you're logged into your Sprout Social account. From the Sprout Social dashboard, navigate to the Settings section by selecting Roles and Team Members. This is where you control the access and permissions for everyone on your team, so understanding this area is key to efficient team management. Once you're in the Roles and Team Members section, look to the top right corner of your screen for your profile or account menu. Click on it, and you'll find an option that says Invite a Team Member. Click this to begin the process of adding a new user. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the person you wish to add. This includes their first and last name, as well as their email address. It's crucial to get these details right, since they'll receive an invitation link at the provided email address. After entering their information, the next step is to set their role and permissions. Sprout Social offers a variety of roles such as admin, manager, and others, each with different levels of access. Choosing the right role is important as it dictates what high-level permissions this person will have. For instance, an admin typically has full access to all settings and can make significant changes, whereas a manager might have more restricted access. Beyond the company role, you also need to assign profile permissions. This step lets you define exactly which social profiles the new team member can access. Depending on their role and your requirements, you can decide what actions they're permitted to undertake, such as publishing posts, replying to messages, or just having read-only access. This level of granularity ensures that each team member has exactly what they need to perform their job without overstepping into areas they're not responsible for. Once you have carefully filled out all the fields and chosen the right permissions, the final step is to click Send Invites. This action will trigger an email to be sent to the prospective team member, inviting them to join Sprout Social. They simply need to follow the instructions in the email to set up their account and gain access. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to add new team members to Sprout Social. Remember, the flexibility in setting roles and permissions is there to help you build a collaborative team structure that works best for your social media strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy team building on Sprout Social.